Will help you access prompt sound effects in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step 1. Make sure your video clip is deselected and not highlighted. Bottom left hand screen and click Audio. Underneath Audio, scroll to the right and you see Sound Effects. Underneath Sound Effects, you want to click the third option, Prompt. One of the sound effects you would like to preview. You can see if you're happy or satisfied, you can click the blue plus, add it onto the timeline. To add multiple, go back to sound effect and plus. See, it's adding multiple prompt sound effects onto the timeline. I say this is the before, this is the after. Completely for free.